Ripple is doing exactly what I said it would do in my past couple of videos. It is getting crushed. Hi, my name is Raji, and I do technical analysis for educational purposes and for fun. So, in my past videos, I've been saying that Ripple is not going to go upwards like the bulls are saying. I said that it was going to drop to 161, and that was a strong support, and then it will break through that 161 and head to the mid 40s, which is exactly where it is right now. And I said that it will drop afterwards to 131 if the momentum continues. And I strongly believe that that will be the case. So let's review the charts, and we'll start with the hourly. Ripple is at 146.39 right now, which is below the 5-hour moving average line of 148.80 and well below the 50-hour moving average line, which is 157.40. Now, if we look at the stochastic RSI, it has already reached into the oversold zone. It is at 0, and the signal is 5.69 points behind it. So it still has room to catch up, which means that it has the potential of dropping down even further. The MACD supports this analysis, increasing size of dark rectangles, and the same with the TTM squeeze, increasing size of light purple rectangles. And let's move on to the daily. And the daily went bearish right here. It is 4 points ahead of the signal. So again, the signal has time to catch up, and it's bearish on the MACD with increasing size of dark red rectangles. Let's look at the weekly really quickly, and the weekly is also bearish. It is actually 13 points ahead of the signal, so the signal still has plenty of time to catch up, which is an indication that it could drop even further. And the MACD is also increasing in size in terms of dark rectangles. Now, if we look at the next strong support, the one is coming up right now, like at 142.38. Ripple will face strong support, and if it breaks through that, which I believe it will, then we will be heading to 1.3112, which is what I'm predicting will happen, and then we'll assess the situation even further if the chart continues to be bearish. So let's look one final time frame on the monthly chart. You'll notice that it's also quite bearish. In fact, 12.9 points ahead of the signal on the stochastic RSI, which is also not great. And you can see from the chart that there is a potential for further droppage. So that's pretty much it for Ripple. Once again, do not trade based on hope. Trade based on what you see on the chart in order to be remove all your emotions from any potential wrong decision making. I wish you all the best. Once again, this is Raji. I'm not providing financial advice. Only providing educational content here. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, please click like and subscribe. Have a great day.